ground. Chimps get around on all fours, often using their front knuckles, which is known as knuckle walking. Now to my left-hand side of the train, the and guess what, folks? It's the only orders are here at Busch Gardens. Let's do it so you know. This two-story white building on my right-hand side of the train. For those of you who come off it, it's called the Crown Hall. And now, the moment we've ever waited for. Yes, indeed. It is just purple and aqua roller coaster. Now look, you guys go on underground there, that little blue elevator takes you all the way to the tip of the top, and you can face-to-face plastic icon in George. Good things are not George. And now to my right-hand side, this yellow and blue roller coaster is Montu. Montu stands about 153 feet high, takes your speed up to 65 miles per hour. Position, such as eat, sleep, and yes, give birth. The first thing a baby giraffe is welcoming in this world is a 6-foot drop straight to the ground. They're one of the very few animals that can see in color, and they have an 18-inch prehensile tongue which helps them reach those high branches in trees. That's on a zoo cam. Come run every summer. About and just before we get to the tunnel, because we're all making our way, bringing out in our hand, which is called Keratin. And there's our baby white rhino. She was born last year in October. She gains about 3 to 5 pounds a day, and she weighs about 900 pounds now. Her name is Catenia, which means lovely. Now this teal and pink roller coaster currently cruising by is Kumba. Kumba stands about 143 feet high, takes your speed up to 60. Now making our way to the